has 2 bedrooms. Pero syempre, focus muna tayo sa ating master bedroom. On this side is actually the reading nook. Ang reading nook natin is very cute. And of course, hindi lang pwedeng reading a book lang dito. We can also do our social media therapy. This side naman is actually kanilang his and hers na cabinet. We do have our shelves here, our hanger rod, and then we do have drawers here, and of course, meron din tayong shelves on the other side. Actually, yung kanilang drawer with the jewelry case. Ayan, so they can put a lot of stuff there. So, this sleeping area is actually custom made. Guys, bakit nga ba mas maganda pag custom made? Kasi, unang-una, sturdy siya, hindi yan gagalaw-galaw. And fit siya dun sa inyong space. And also, underneath this Emma mattress, pwede ka maglagay ng storage area suited for your needs. We do have an open shelf para sa mga items na you'd want to easy reach. And of course, sa mga clutter natin, we have our own drawer here.